Are you a TikTok user who has been struggling to pause videos while scrolling through your feed? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to quickly and easily pause any video on the app so that you can look at any important details or funny moments. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the TikTok app and then scroll down to find the video that you want to pause. And then, if you want to pause any TikTok video, simply tap on that video once. As you can see, the video is now paused, so you can take a better look at what's going on in the TikTok. If you want to play the TikTok again, just tap on it once, and it will start playing. This is exactly how you pause TikTok videos. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.